another exciting session. Today we are here to introduce more than a perfect solution. We are here to build a perfect long-lasting relationship with your end customer and your team. Presenting all new 310 BYD Lithium-powered EL Pro model. Yes, this Pro version will check every box in your checklist. Before detailing, we are proud to introduce Greentech India Material Handling as official distributor for pan-India BYD engines. Now we are excited to bring a forklift with a world-class feature, premium quality, high efficiency, surprisingly affordable price. BYD EL Pro 310 model. Why the world-class word is referred here? The reason is the key components used in our forklift. BYD owned advanced lithium-ion battery. Italian make Danaher controller. Drive chain and oil pump precision crafted in Germany.
Hello everyone, I am Ullas Makeshwar, co-founder and director of Greentech India Material Handling, and we are an authorized distributor for BYD Pan India. Why choose BYD? BYD is a global leader in lithium-ion battery technology with 75% market share in particular forklift segment. Charging, it gives 7 hours working. BYD provides maintenance-free batteries and unmatched reliability.
In conclusion, BYD EL Pro is your reliable and efficiency and future-ready partner in material handling.
We are here to support your business with the BYD's world-famous energy solutions. Thank you for choosing Greentech and BYD.